Only took me what, girl, a minute to get this wig on and throw my headband on, and now I'm ready to go. Hello my beautiful people, I'm Jayla Marie and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to join my fam. I do a lot of hair, beauty, and lifestyle videos. In today's video, I am reviewing this headband wig that I received from Fashion Plus. They are Amazon seller. This is their water wave human headband wig. I am loving these curls on this wig, girl. These waves are beautiful and they look so natural. I'm loving how natural and soft and lightweight. This hair is so lightweight. Everything about this hair is beautiful. So the wig did come in this cute little bag that says Fashion Plus on it, and they also sent over 5 headbands. Here are 4 of them, and then the one I'm wearing now. And this wig is made so well. When I received it, I did wash it and condition it really good, and the curls on it just popped even more. Like right out the packaging, it was gorgeous, but once I washed it and conditioned it, girl, these curls just really popped on this hair, and I'm loving everything about it. Now it says it's human hair, but this hair feels like Remy or some type of Brazilian hair, because it doesn't specify if it is Brazilian or what type of human hair it is. I'm kind of thinking it may be Brazilian. The hair is 18 inches long, and the color on this, I would think it's just a natural shade. It doesn't specify if it is like a 1B or anything, but it does look like a natural tone wig, which I enjoy. I love natural tone wigs. They just look great, and I love my wig to look natural. The wig is constructed so nice. It has 3 combs right here at the top, and I did use all 3 combs to secure this wig, along with the comb in the back and an adjustable strap as well. I am surprised that I had no shedding. Even when I was washing it, I did not have a lot of shedding or anything, but I have not combed it yet. Let me see what it looks like when I comb it. Yeah, you end up puffing up the curls. Look at that. This hair is gorgeous. I did not put anything on his hair, but I know I will put some mousse on it just to see how the curls maybe hold a little better, because this hair is super soft. It is super soft. So soft. I'm loving how soft it is. Like, I am loving everything about it. 10 out of 10. And this is my first time trying out a headband wig, and girl, I'm loving these headband wigs. It only took me what, girl, a minute to get this wig on and throw my headband on, and now I'm ready to go. I am ready to go, girl. I am looking too cute. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going somewhere. Don't forget to check the description box down below. That way you can check out Fashion Plus on Amazon. I am loving their wig, girl. So make sure you go ahead and click that link and get your hands on her. She is gorgeous. And also like this video, comment down below, let me know how you feeling the headband wigs, or just let me know how your day is going. I love to chat with you guys. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. It is free. So go ahead and do yourself a favor and click that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.